Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove recent searches on Messenger. So now, let's get started. First of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your Messenger account. Now just at the top, you can see a search bar below Chats. So just tap on the search bar at the top. Now over here you can see various people's names appearing, and under recent searches you can see the names of the people that you have searched recently on your Facebook's Messenger. So now just at the right hand corner you can see the option of edit in blue. So just tap on that option of edit. With that, you will be led to Edit Search Histories page. Now, beside each and every individual's name, you can see a cross button at the right-hand corner. So, if you tap on that cross icon at the right corner, you can see that the name of that particular individual will be removed from your Messenger search history. You can also see the option of Clear All at the top, which allows you to remove the names of the individual all at once. So, if you tap on it, you will see this pop-up appearing on your screen that says Clear Searches. Now just tap on Clear Searches in red. Now you can see that your recent search history on Messenger is deleted. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.